In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change avatars in Colossyan. Whether you're refreshing your project's look or switching to a different presenter, this quick process will help you update your avatar without disrupting the rest of your work. First, log into Colossyan. Open your preferred browser, head to the Colossyan website, and sign in with your account. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection so the editor and media library load smoothly. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as part of the login. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, open your project in the editor. From the dashboard, find the project you want to update. You can use the search bar or select it from your recent projects. Click it to launch the editor. You'll see your timeline, canvas, and panels with scene elements and settings. Give the page a moment to fully load, especially if your project includes multiple scenes or media assets. Now click on your current avatar. Navigate to the scene where your avatar appears, then click directly on the avatar on the canvas. You should see a selection highlight or bounding box, confirming it's selected. If you have multiple elements in the scene, make sure you're clicking the avatar itself rather than a background or text layer. Selecting the correct element is important so the right side settings reflect the avatar controls. On the right side, click on Replace Avatar. This option lives in the Properties panel, which updates based on what you've selected. If you don't see Replace Avatar, double check that the avatar is highlighted on the canvas or in the Layers list. The Replace Avatar button opens the avatar library, where you can browse available presenters. Finally, select your new avatar. In the library, explore categories or scroll through the options to find the look that suits your project. When you click an avatar, Colossyan will swap it into your scene while keeping your existing script and timing intact. Give it a second to load. You'll see the new avatar appear in the same spot, preserving your layout. If you're not satisfied, you can simply open the library again and pick a different one until it matches your style and tone. That's all it takes to change avatars in Colossyan. Log in, open your project, select your current avatar, choose Replace Avatar on the right, and pick your new one. With these steps, you can update your presenter quickly while keeping your content consistent and your workflow smooth.